A second is a hiccup. Written by Hazel Hutchins and illustrated by Katie McDonald Denton. How long is a second? A second is a hiccup. The time it takes to kiss your mom, or jump a rope, or turn around. How long is a minute? 60 seconds to a minute. 60 hiccups, 60 hops. Or if you sing just one small song, chorus, verses, not too long, that is just enough to fill a minute. How long is an hour? 60 minutes singing by. If you build a sandy tower, run right through a sprinkly shower, climb a tree and smell a flower, pretend you have a secret power, that should nicely fill an hour. How long is a day? 24 hours by the clock, starting when the sun comes up. A day needs filling like a cup. Hiccups, kisses, songs and showers, lots of trees and lots of flowers. Breakfast, lunch, and snack and dinner, play some games and cheer the winner. Draw a picture, read a book, tell a joke, and learn to cook. Watch the sunshine fade away, fall asleep, and that's a day. How long is a week? 7 days all in a line. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and the end day, Saturday, a favorite one. Some are quiet, some are fun. Work days, home days, play days, school days. Seven wake-ups, 7 sleeps, close your eyes and do not peek, but you'll never ever stay asleep for 1 whole week. How long is a month? 4 weeks add up to form a month. Lots of time for things to change. Seasons often rearrange. Winters melt and warm to springs. Caterpillars find their wings. And after you fall and scrape a shin, in a month there's brand new skin. Learn to count clean up to 10. Learn to count back down again. Watch the moon grow round and fat, then thin again, imagine that. And all of it in 1 month flat. How long is a year? 12 months together make a year, a great big circle spinning around. Climb aboard, you're 1 year bound. You'll grow right out of your old shoes and taller too. Now that's good news. Sunshine, snow, and rain and squall, winter, spring, summer, fall. Twigs on trees grow leaves and peaches. See how far the whole year reaches. Tiny babies learn to walk, bigger babies learn to talk. Holidays of every kind link together in a line. When your birthday is almost here, you are older by a year. Changes come and changes go. Round and round the years you'll grow. Till you're bigger, till you're bolder, till you're ever so much older. And through all the hours and days, as time unfolds in all its ways, you will be loved. As surely as a second is a hiccup. The end.